wonder who that could be. No! Check first with the window bell.
Are you home, Roxanne? I would like to kiss you and see you and just... Oh, Christy, no! Address your love, say your feelings, say what you feel to her. Roxanne, I love you, I love you. Christian! No! Confess your love, someone! Roxanne, I would like to see you. I see your car. You must be here. Your car is here in the driveway.